I decided to put my drone up in Kensington, and I'm glad I did. It was just perfect timing with the train coming. I definitely didn't have this planned, but I'm glad I got the shot like this. We're coming up now to the 24-hour convenience store, and they were handing out food here. There's a black car and a white SUV, and you can see the tables set up on the sidewalk there. Now, this is going to be illegal to do soon with the new rules that are being proposed by the city of Philadelphia for handing out food and clothes down there. Now we're coming up on Prevention Point here. Sorry, I still suck at drone flying. They were handing out stuff here too. This was a Saturday or Sunday morning, or I'm sorry, afternoon. And then here is, we're at, what the heck is that? I forget the name of the street, never mind. And then this is Prevention Point here, looking down right over. It's so weird looking at Kensington from the aerial view. Now we're heading back towards McPherson Park. You can see it there on the left, the beginnings of it. And there's the people handing out the food again right there. And that's the 24-hour convenience store. Although I did hear bodegas have to close at 11 now, so I'm not sure if that's still 24 hours or not. I'm never down there that late. I think that's a school right there we're going over. And I'm going to turn around here and head towards the park. There's the famous library at the top of the hill. And I wanted to get a little bit of a pan shot here as I kind of circle around the library. This is a feature that you can do in the drone, or I would have just messed it up if I tried it manually. But you can lock the camera on something and then, turn it right or left. So I put it on the library and just did a pan to the right. You could see how empty the park is. From above, it almost looks like really peaceful there. and you go down to the real world, then you see all the destruction and death and violence and addiction and homelessness, and it's just it's really eye-opening. But that just shows you there how close Kensington is to Center City. Alright guys, thanks for watching.